welcome back to my channel to a new video. So recently I just found my Nintendo DSi, and I've had this since I was like what, 8 or 7, I don't remember, but that's like over 7-8 years ago, maybe not, I'm sorry, I cannot count right now. But anyways, I feel like this is really plain and it needs an upgrade, and here we are today going to upgrade it, and I'm gonna be playing 1 or 2 games, and I own over like 20 of them, I'm not sure, 20 games, and they're probably like, really expensive. But anyways, let's get started. So I had some pencil marks in like the little edge and corner on my DS, and it's like everywhere, and I've been like literally struggling to get it out, so I had to get this other really tiny eraser I had that was gifted. I had to like push it in, it was so hard, oh my gosh. And then of course I just wiped it down with some like cleaner thingy, I forgot what it's called. So for decorating, since I don't own any like skins, I probably will get them in like the future, but I just got these little pictures of my idol right now, my ultimate bias from my K-pop stan, MJ. So I had pictures of him, and I'm just gonna kind of make like a little collage, scrapbooking-ish. So I had pictures of him, I have these cute little panda stickers, and I took like these grid paper, like extra grid paper I have, and I just like taped it on. I don't want to glue it, because bad stuff. So I taped it on, and then I had like these extra grid gold what's it called, sticky notes. So I used those instead, and I just taped it on, just trying to make it look good and actually look nice. So yeah. So the 3 games that I'll be like trying to play again is of course the OG Cookie Mama 3, Sonic and Mario Olympic games, and Wings Club. Yes, I am aware I have some girly games, but come on, they're actually so fun though. Here's some little ASMR of me opening the game and putting it into the game slot. But before we start playing all the games, I'm actually gonna start like decorating and like making or setting up my DS, making it not like childish. I'll be changing my username, color, and stuff like that. And here's some ASMR. So my phone kind of died at this moment, so I didn't have like the finished product or what I was cooking. I was doing like these marshmallows hearts. But anyways, next game.